So hey there, welcome back to PIXIPACE channel. In this video we're gonna learn about how to create a vintage film effect using Adobe Photoshop. Well, to do that, simply click on adjustment layer panel. In adjustment layer panel, click on curves, make a S-like curve to increase the contrast of any picture. So here we increased the contrast of the picture. Then click on color balance in adjustment layer, and here it is. Increase the yellow value in mid-tones. Here it is. Then select the tone to shadows. In shadows, increase the red color. So we increase the red color value. Then simply make any kind of solid color layer again by clicking on the adjustment layer panel and click on solid layer. In this I'm gonna use the blue color. Then simply change the blending mode to overlay or a soft light, and decrease the opacity near about 30, or up, you can increase or decrease up to 50%. And here it is. Then one more thing, we need to add the noise in it to make it a more realistic vintage film effect. For adding the noise, first I'm gonna preserve this original layer, so I'll simply right click on the original layer, then click on convert to smart objects so that you can add the filter in it and preserve the original image. So after converting it into smart object, simply click on filter, noise, add noise, then add the noise according to the picture like this. In this, yes, I'm gonna add 21%. Here it is. Then we need to add a vignette effect in this. So for adding the vignette effect, simply right click on the marquee tool, then elliptical marquee tool. After selecting elliptical marquee tool, make a circle in the center of the picture. Here it is. Then click on adjustment layer panel. In adjustment layer panel, click on solid color, then select the mask, and after selecting the mask, click command plus I or a control plus I to invert the mask. Then again we need to increase the feather of this one. So for increasing the feather, simply click on properties. In properties, increase the feather. Here it is. Then decrease the value of vignette effect to, here it is, just 25% is enough. Now here you can look original one and changed one. Let's decrease this one much more. I just want to add just very few percent of this vignette effect. And here it is. This is original one and this is edited one. So this is how you can add vintage film effect using Adobe Photoshop. So please share and subscribe PIXIPACE YouTube channel, and share this video. If you want to know something else in Adobe Photoshop, then you can please let me know in a comment section. Thank you so much for watching this complete tutorial. Bye bye.